this na still on our favorite program, DEY RED, and the Chris them, we did together, they dissect the matter them, anyway, we want to hear them from. Even, but me no go hear story, we no be true, can't tell us more, can't talk here, they go arrest us.
And I make when you send and come our email will be DEY RED at Wazobia TV.tv. We will first check and cross-check whether on real news or on our proco, will be real proco, because of my proco just they come from nowhere.
Yeah.
Yes. So talking about our proco now and some things will happen, we don't discover say some of our policemen, they be candidate of a mental institution. That means they're supposed to for like maybe psychiatric go come be one university, they will undergo course. So when they check them because whether they pass, because they get one picture I want to show and now look the picture well and I'm gonna say some of them need to stay there. Go look the picture first. You see.
But now, see,
see what now they tell you.
see police, you know what they best me? If you look where the picture we did that, the police they did there, they fight.
The way they did the fight.
People where they there, people where they say something for traffic.
Call they look.
Now call they look. Where we say that they're supposed to fight. Make police they separate.
This is mismanagement
They keep going.
of law.
They will keep going.
Oh my God.
And I want to go make
Make it up like say the two of them they different political parties.
I tell you say through our police they supposed to psych. You know say one guy done the piece for somewhere and the court say fine, you go pay 500 naira. But the guy never even look at just the piece. Now police hold and say, we'll catch you the piece. You will pay 500. The guy say, what's there? Now you just give them 1K. I say, give me my change. Police check, no change. So your piece again.
They're supposed to give a receipt for the next time in case you walk up as well.
Yes,
Seriously. No, if you really look the way some of our Nigerian police they behave, they really need to go this mental home. I remember when I come for a show one day, I come back very late. For our area there, the former area, they say police and they parade and they will all pack down for of an gun. They just their jack boys they put inside. All of a sudden, one just grab me. I say, wait, happen. He say, where they come from? I said, they come for show. Enter inside motor. For waiting, enter. For waiting, Mr. Man, will you enter or I?
You don't
Cross, you don't call gun.
Crackle.
I can't obey. I enter. Wow. Omo sit down now. No, say nobody me the cash. Down for way, carry how many 18 seaters, Shakara. We don't reach 24 with a lap. Yeah, where the motor car they go? Where the motor car they go? Call this 1 point. Police was okay. Stop. As the motor stop, he say now all of for now. I'm gonna bail on ourselves 300 naira. If you no get 300, if you go station 15 Georgia now. Because we boys get 300, they pay. Me, I come on pay.
Oh, but that transport.
One man way near me, the man say, "I show me all over." I say, "Who be you?" Be Babalawo. Be Babalawo. Now you know vanish. Disappear now. Disappear. Oh boy, Nigeria police, they can hold person unnecessarily. Now be
yeah. But I'm like, this police matter, everywhere, that's who carry the matter, enter. One place they call Tanzania. I go to Tanzania and I will say, yes, you know, say, for there, 2 police, they just did. I don't know how they think they enter their body, sweetness, and they kiss. As they kiss finish, like they sack them.
The 2 police now men. Make it clear, men have been a woman.
No, one. No.
Just say police.
Male and female. Don't vex for me.
But you don't say when you don't say police for here, now man will be thinking.
They kiss, but I call later find and say the thing they against the law.
Okay.
Say if 2 police when be male and female they work for the same place.
Okay,
when they on duty, they call kiss each other. When they dey for duty, they go sack them.
Okay.
They against their law. So, but imagine for just kiss.
Sorry, let's bring it back home. It did Nigeria law. And the police free kiss.
The question was about.
Oh, but wait. Mona see the kiss.
The question was about Shakara. The question was about as say whether law dey for Nigeria police. Because
and who do this in out of jealousy?
No, because according to the news, they say na somebody. Now he snap their picture. The person can go report them.
Yes.
So I get feeling, say that guy or the babe. Maybe not because they don't specify whether the gender of the person whether a guy or not. If not guy, let me say they like this other policewoman.
Yes.
But if not babe, they like this policeman. So you don't think I say so.
Your cop don't.
Now you burn my cable. They burn my cable for this thing. You go see you're safe. They go sack you for this office. They go sack you my guy. Because they work, they train up.
But with the talk of Nigeria police whether they get law, what you want. Yeah, Nigeria police get law. But the team saying that Nigeria police they create law for themselves.
Yes,
their own lawyer go follow.
Bad for you.
Nigeria police will just see person just back. They see person for front of the motor, they say, where you come down, go back. Go sit down for front. Continue to instruct you.
Yes.
Increase your AC.
Can you imagine?
I don't see where police, Nigerian police, miss motorway supposed to park. Park! Park! As the car pass view, they cry. Park! Park!
But I joke, may not be like saying that joke. You can't say they lock four comedians up. He's joking with you, so.
He's joking with you.
But don't forget, say this now I the red and on a fee always send on our stories. They come. We talk the way the thing with the switch on for body. Don't forget to send them to us via email. If you know if you scan the paper, send come. Just tell us the news headline. Tell us the paper where you see them or for where you see them. We will go search them out. I will go bring a con here. We'll contact and the way the thing switch for body. The email where you go send to I the red at wazobiatv.tv. We could go back, go see whether Nigerian police they never did outside, they wait for us. We'll come back. Can't tell you now whether they did or not.
10 minutes.
Yes, so now welcome back. In case you just join us, as we always talk about, welcome. And in case you there with us since, well, stay. We still there for I the red, the young matter as it happen. And this one way they on ground, and waiting shock people want to talk and make on know as it happen. Girl who wait on the sleep with 10,000 men come and say he won't settle down.
Hey, what?
Girl who slept with 10,000 men ready to settle down.
Hey, what?
Wait, she won't settle down with all of them.
At what age?
They say with one person.
That is
At what age?
She's
The girl
retiring.
now 36
That
years
is
old.
retirement.
Oh, Shakara, they bust my brain.
No, mistake. At the headline.
So that retired one.
Yes.
You don't say one woman that they also.
Yes, now any profession where you did, you just retire, come begin collect pension.
Okay.
Now it go there wrong for those men who don't sleep with her before. Maybe they no come.
The specialist is talking.
They're supposed to they collect gratuity from those men to keep up her recent husband. Because your papa no fit dey soldier for many years, then you no come get something wanna go fall back to as a pensioner.
Yes.
Because only for Nigeria na runs go retire, come dey sell cigar for front of club.
Either they sell cigar, either they sell cigar, or they sell Indomie. They sell different things. Agbo, awakpa, shekpe. They go dey shake body. Come by you.
Let me say, because according to the story, say the girl don't sleep with the actual number na 10,092 men.
10,091.
And 91 men.
Yeah.
Now she don't sleep with. Let me say, now when she don't ready to settle down, the man when she won't settle down will get to be legion. Because if you don't read Bible where they say get one demon will possess somebody. We say they be legion because they are many.
Yes.
So whatever it is you are, if now you want to settle down with this babe, make sure say he that is in you or they that are in you are legion. Because only you cannot handle what 10,091 men have handled.
So please, I just want to give an advice. The advice, so Winnet now be your name. Not meet Elenu because Elenu don't wear handcuff. Not me Shaggy don't wear handcuff.
Shakara is free.
Not me Lucky Shine don't wear handcuff.
You know the
Shakara
you will go first 6.
Shakara, but you know they
First
try.
every news. You never go into
Shakara.
The girl don't get person. She won't settle down. You never read.
She says she won't settle down because she
You don't say you want to settle down. Shakara, see your free wife for you.
I want to tell you, when Shakara know there among
When
that
I talk about research that time, say use your time well, find out things.
No wonder you research well.
Well done, no scientists. Well done, researcher.
Oh my God.
Shakpilo.
Man go marry that kind of girl. Mo get small dinner and I want to say bring your friends. I'll bring my friends. I'll bring my 4 friends. You go bring her 1,000.
Oh, that's going to be so baby, let's have a party. Just bring 10,000 of your friends. I'm fine. I will handle all of them.
Oh my God. But Mary go marry that guy is in trouble, man.
The guy go call you say, honey, I want to see you in private. As it's good, all of them go men will come see.
Nigerian men go dey complain. Girl just get like 3 boyfriend break up. You can say no. She's been going around. I can't see person 10,000 plus. Well.
Okay, now for the last part, we did our hand for today. As of now, this thing don't bother me for a very long time because you don't do for this country for a very long time. Say people go they marry Oyinbo because they get paper. It don't reach time because democracy don't do. Nigeria don't is sweet now. You don't reach time be like so Oyinbo go come and marry Nigeria people for passport.
Yes.
one of the fine Nigerian people come out for passport. We have rich people. We are hardworking.
boy.
We have money. What's wrong with you people?
Big boy.
Come here and marry us.
We
I
have
made
money.
this 63-year-old woman marry this 22-year-old man, 26-year-old man. Yes. Because she's looking for Nigerian passport.
Okay, the one where you talk say don't reach time where this will call the marry us for passport. Now, apart from part of our agenda being
Shakarasi loyalty.
No. That's part of the next the presidential election for this year. Now, what in the push me that? He has me now. I have a dream that one day Oyibo people will marry Nigerian people for passport.
Yes,
Oh
now.
my God. And see as the boy position, the guy not send.
My brother, you never win lotto before.
for this
relax.
dream,
Nigeria, they
for
also.
Oh gee.
this our dream of nightmare because dream different from nightmare. For this our nightmare of say you both come marry us for passport. The only thing we go fit make it happen. Make all our refineries done the work back, and then we get 7 more. If Nigeria get 10 refineries with the work, I tell you, so you both go come enter this country.
But you don't say they jump. This one will not come in nightmare again. You know they call it. You know they turn to daydream.
Now 9 to
Wait,
no.
no. Lucky time. You know they turn to daydream.
possible now.
Wait,
I
you know they turn to wait now.
Refinery one
Shaggy, wait, you know they turn daydream now because you don't say that my dream that turn nightmare.
No,
This is your
it's
own
not too
now.
much.
This is your own nightmare.
Money where they come up for subsidy alone, it reach for make refinery work.
They should be that not
The
come
one
on
where
the
they
body now.
don't work finish before you ask for other 7.
So wait, now because this man want marry 63 years old American mama, now be this quarter.
Yes.
No, we
You know
have
this
to
is
tell
your
that. If we had good governance, these people will not be running away to
No, you cannot tell me that. That's wrong.
Well, I want buy Shakara idea. If our government good, wait till you let 26 years old boy. See the guy they smile. Relax, 63 years old grandmama.
Novus, you did there when they talk say love is blind. You did there when they talk. The people who writing that you follow them there. I did there. The hair so their love is blind.
Oh, if
But
you love,
Shakara,
man, that's your love.
So but you see old mama.
Who me?
Love way blind, but you still see old
still
mama.
see.
I still see old mama.
No, you see the woman, but you don't see the love.
See, and the sister, see the sister. Shaggy, see as the sister even they smile. The sister happy pass the boy.
No,
The
you know what
family
the
is in
sister
trouble.
is.
Oh, now no answer my question. You don't win lotto before. Say you play, you nap 2 from 4, palm 6
small
from
money.
8, and play 2 direct with 1,000 naira. You can get 64 million. Now like this now, your full family will follow you go collect.
Now you don't dey talk
Now
now.
only entertainment you dey do. The way they break down, they go. So when they fool ourselves, say we dey do this thing. Baba Jebu. Baba Jebu.
One road at market. Okay, my people, this time the matter what they call eye the red, as I see, and they cry water they call for my eye the red. True. But this is not the place where they come, where they bring matter where they sweet on for body. Totally news where they happen, news headline. This way don't happen. You hear them, you see them for TV, you hear them, they waka pass. We don't talk about the 26-year-old man who married 63-year-old man, and also the girl where he don't free 10,091 men.
That's the most alarming.
That's the most
today,
that's the
for
most
today, in
alarming.
fact.
Record breaker.
My dear, I carry hand for you. Who see you no run leg the pain now?
Honestly,
Make back a bit of
But you don't say if na Nigeria, that lady will get shift as it.
No.
I won't give up. Now
Well,
She's
come.
about to also is a something. One of Nigeria. One of Fury. One of Nigeria. And also we don't talk about other things. Police will like say 2 of them, but they catch them small for Tanzania, they kiss, they come fire them. But for Nigeria, you know go fear happen. We all know that one. And also our Nigerian police with some of them, not all. We get police for we be like say then they will be like say. I don't see policemen before we be like say if you go there they speak good English.
Yes.
Wow.
We get masters, but because of say the drive, you know, to uphold the law, they join this thing. But some
drive
of them
follow with the conductor.
some of them don't even get key. Not to talk of drive. Say they won't drive you. Not even get key. Okay, I'm not gonna don't forget to the journal. Same time, same station. This na I the red on top Wazobia television. Start time channel 195. And my name na Elenu. From me, Shaggy, MC Shakara, and total one of Nigerian comedy.
Honestly
Who no find trouble. This na I the red. We have come out for inside the year.
Okay.
Let them go first. Come out.
So
come on.
What's the?
Come on.
What